What's up? What?
What's going on?
None? What's going on with you?
If you turn that off for me, please.
I'll turn it down.
Okay, turn it off. Try not to alert me. Like you're alerting, you're creating a dangerous situation.
How am I? I'm out in public right now.
I know, but you don't know what's going on. Can you turn the light off, please? At least turn the light off.
Robert 24, 1097. 10-4.
Out here on Left Street in public. And they got something going on. There's officers everywhere. CM, that's what it looks like. Okay.
You're not planning to try and follow them up to the door they're going to, right? Because that would endanger them and potentially you. Like, can you give us that space?
I'll give you guys a bunch of space.
Yeah, because they're about to move into a position where following them up would not be safe for anybody involved. Okay?
For anybody involved. I'll definitely give you guys a bunch of space. I don't want to get in anyone's way.
Yeah. And I mean,
they're all like whispering and everything. They got officer whispers over here. Probation is all around this place. They're getting ready to take somebody down. They asked me to turn off my light. And not to follow them.
What's going on?
What up, dude? Probation's surrounding this building.
For what?
I don't know. Creepy, looking in the windows. That's peeping. Pretty sure that's against the law. So, slow probation is all over this building. There's another unit around back. Frank Evans, Nathan, what's up? Edge Gymnastics, I put your stickers in the mail today. They're on the way. I gave you some extra ones. He ran that way. Related to, I guess. Oh shit. You hear it?
6324. We have the subject. 1015, code 4.
They have him. 10:15.
6324, copy, code 4.
They got him.
I know my bus is a full. You want to talk to that one? My bus. My bus is for you for.
Yeah, we did that.
Oh no, that's fine. My bus is for you.
Let's go get in the car, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Yup.
It's around the corner. Still like Walker Street?
Yeah.
That's right there. Yeah. Yeah, no, or actually driver's side of the good. Okay. This will be good, okay?
Sure thing.
And I know you're trying to do stuff and but if you could just hang out right here to give space, we just don't like people coming up like on us, okay?
I'm not. I always give you guys space, man.
All right. Well,
Safe.
I'm just reminding you, okay? It's also really hard to see because of how bright that is.
Is it pretty bright?
Yeah.
It's on it's not 100% right now. I gave you guys a little bit of percentage lowering. What's your name, man?
Hendrix.
Hendrix.
Yeah. The phone and the wallet right there. Okay. Shoes. I mean, you guys are going back that way anyway. Check on him real quick if he needs anything else, and then
Yeah.
I'm gonna move this.
Okay.
And then that way, because he's got to make sure that other people are able to get back here.
Okay.
Due to the folks inside. So. All right. Stay safe.
You too, Hendrix.
Thank you.
People don't understand it's a visual aid. It's because of cops. Cops shining their light in our faces that they have that mentality. Now it's like, oh, you're just doing this to piss us off. No, dude. This is a legit camera light. This light is for camera rigs. It is to visually aid. It's a visual aid. It is to see stuff. So they're stuck with that mentality of like, you're just doing this to piss us off. No, it's dark out right now. It's freaking dark. Word for word, that law.
Your light is really bright.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's just a visual aid so I can see.
Yeah, it really destroys our visual.
Does it?
Yeah.
No. My name's Ralph.